Adventure in the Deep Forest. In a lush green meadow, there lived a lively and cute little rabbit. She had long ears and sparkling small eyes, a cheerful personality, and was always full of curiosity about everything around her. One day, the little rabbit lay on the grass, gazing at the white clouds in the sky, and suddenly decided to venture into the nearby forest for an adventure. She thought to herself, there must be mysterious treasures hidden there, maybe even the legendary Candy Mountain. The little rabbit immediately took action. She packed her small backpack with a few fresh carrots and a bottle of water, then hopped excitedly along the path, beginning her journey. Soon, she arrived at the entrance of the forest. Sunlight filtered through the treetops, casting dappled light and shadows, and the air was filled with the fragrance of flowers. As she walked, she met her good friend, Little Squirrel. "Hello, Little Squirrel. Would you like to join me on an adventure deep into the forest?" the little rabbit asked excitedly. Little Squirrel looked up, eyes gleaming, and replied, "That sounds so interesting. But I still need to gather nuts and can't accompany you. Be careful not to get lost." The little rabbit nodded, bid farewell to Little Squirrel, and continued forward. Next, she encountered a busy little bee. "Hello, little bee. What are you doing?" the little rabbit asked. "Little rabbit, I'm collecting honey. Where are you going?" the little bee replied warmly. "I'm going on an adventure to find Candy Mountain," the little rabbit answered with a smile. "That sounds magical. Good luck. But make sure to return home before dark," the little bee gently reminded. Carrying her friend's blessings, the little rabbit continued her exploration deeper. As she ventured further, the trees grew taller, and the surrounding light grew softer. Her heart was filled with anticipation and a bit of nervousness. At that moment, the little rabbit suddenly noticed a lost little bird. The bird's wings trembled slightly, and it looked uneasy. "Little bird, what's wrong?" the little rabbit asked with concern. "I can't find my way home. I flew too far," the little bird replied sadly. The little rabbit thought for a moment and decided to help the bird. Although she didn't know how to navigate, she believed that by working together, they could find the way. So the little bird guided from the air, while the little rabbit carefully observed the markers on the ground and the directions of the trees. After some effort, they finally found the path leading to the little bird's home. The little bird gratefully said, "Thank you, little rabbit. You're so kind. Would you like to visit my home?" The little rabbit gladly accepted the invitation. At the bird's home, she enjoyed a delicious dinner. The little bird's mother warmly welcomed her, and shared many stories about the forest, making the little rabbit feel warm and happy. As the sun set in the west, the sky gradually darkened. The little rabbit realized it was time to go home. Though reluctant to leave, she felt the day had been full of rewards and surprises. On her way home, the little rabbit couldn't help but reflect, "Although I didn't find Candy Mountain today, I meet my friends, helped a little bird, and experienced the charm of the deep forest." This was truly an unforgettable adventure. When the little rabbit returned home, the moon and stars were already twinkling in the night sky. She shared her adventurous experiences with her family, and everyone was proud of her courage and kindness. As night fell, the little rabbit slowly drifted into a sweet slumber. In her dream, she seemed to see the legendary Candy Mountain, sweet and mysterious.